Imagine earning money while you sleep with just a laptop and an internet connection. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of the top 5 affiliate marketing programs that could turn your dreams into reality. Miss out, and you'll be leaving potential earnings on the table. Stay tuned to transform your financial future. Selecting the right affiliate marketing program isn't just about signing up and hoping for the best. It's about making informed decisions that set you up for success. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the criteria used to pinpoint the cream of the crop in affiliate marketing. First up, commission rates. This is the bread and butter of your earnings. Higher rates can mean more money in your pocket for each sale, but it's not just about the percentage. The product's price and sales potential play a huge role too. Imagine earning a 10% commission on a high-ticket item versus a 30% on something that hardly sells. The math speaks for itself. Next, ease of use. Time is money, and you don't want to spend yours wrestling with a complicated platform. The best programs offer intuitive dashboards, straightforward analytics, and seamless integration with your website or social media. Essentially, it should be so user-friendly, even your grandma could figure it out. Support is another game changer. Even the most seasoned affiliate marketers run into snags. When you hit a bump, having a responsive and knowledgeable support team makes all the difference. Whether it's technical issues or marketing advice, you want a program that's got your back. Finally, reputation. Aligning with reputable programs not only adds credibility to your marketing efforts, but also ensures you're partnering with companies that value their affiliates. A program with a solid track record for timely payouts and ethical business practices is worth its weight in gold. Each criterion serves as a pillar in building a successful affiliate marketing endeavor. Now, I'm curious, what's the most important factor to you when choosing an affiliate program? Amazon Associates stands out as a shining beacon in the affiliate marketing world, offering an expansive library of products that's practically unmatched. Whether you're into tech, fashion, or anything in between, there's something for everyone. This diversity not only makes it easier to find products that resonate with your audience, but also amplifies your earning potential. Imagine linking to the latest gadgets, stylish apparel, or best-selling books with just a few clicks. Another standout feature of Amazon Associates is the simplicity of integrating these links into your content. Whether you're crafting a blog post, a tweet, or even a Facebook update, embedding affiliate links is as straightforward as it gets. This ease of use means you spend less time fussing with code and more time creating content that captivates your audience. But what truly sets Amazon Associates apart, it's the trust factor. Amazon is a household name, and people feel comfortable making purchases through the site. This trust translates into higher conversion rates for you. When your followers click on an Amazon affiliate link, they're more likely to make a purchase, knowing they're in good hands. Now, I've got to ask, how do you see Amazon Associates fitting into your affiliate marketing strategy? Have you considered the vast array of products you can offer and the ease with which you can integrate them into your content? In the vibrant world of affiliate marketing, ClickBank stands as a juggernaut, particularly celebrated for its diverse marketplace filled with high-commission digital products. Imagine an online bazaar buzzing with innovative digital goods ranging from ebooks that unlock the mysteries of the mind to comprehensive fitness programs that promise a transformational journey. This is ClickBank's playground, a place where niche passions find their perfect match in products designed to educate, inspire, and solve real-world problems. Now, why does this matter to you? Well, in a digital age where content is king, ClickBank provides an unparalleled opportunity to monetize your passion. Picture this: you create content about topics you love and connect your audience with products that enrich their lives, all while earning generous commissions. It's a win-win-win scenario, with commissions on ClickBank soaring up to 70%, sometimes even 90%, your earning potential skyrockets. But here's the crux: it's not just about the money. It's about authenticity, about providing value. When you align your content with ClickBank products that genuinely interest you, your recommendations come across as genuine and trustworthy. And in a world teeming with advertisements, that trust is golden. Now, what sets ClickBank apart from the crowd? Its sheer variety. Whether your interest lies in digital arts, sustainable living, or personal development, ClickBank's marketplace serves as a treasure trove of products waiting to be explored. This diversity not only caters to a broad audience, but also enables you to keep your content fresh and engaging. Another standout feature, accessibility. ClickBank simplifies the affiliate marketing process, ensuring that whether you're a seasoned marketer or a budding entrepreneur, you have the tools at your fingertips to succeed. The platform is intuitive, user-friendly, and brimming with resources to guide you on your affiliate marketing journey. Here's a thought to ponder: how can you leverage ClickBank's vast marketplace and high-commission digital products to not just earn, but also create an impact? How can these products augment your content, transforming it into a conduit for both information and inspiration? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine unlocking the door to a vast online marketplace where every turn and corner presents a new opportunity. This isn't just any marketplace. This is ShareASale, a platform that's revolutionizing the way affiliates connect with brands across countless niches. Picture this: one moment you're exploring high-end tech gadgets, and the next you're deep into eco-friendly household products. That's the beauty of ShareASale. It's not just about connecting, it's about discovering passions you didn't even know you had. Now let's talk reliability, a term we all cherish, right? In the world of affiliate marketing, reliability translates to a system that ensures you're rewarded for your efforts consistently and fairly. ShareASale stands tall in this realm with a payment system that's as reliable as sunrise every morning. With prompt monthly payments, it removes the guesswork and lets you focus on what truly matters: growing your content and nurturing your audience. But here's a question to ponder. How can you harness the power of ShareASale to not just amplify your earnings, but also to enrich your content and engage your audience in a way that feels authentic and impactful? In the vast ocean of affiliate marketing, Commission Junction, or CJ Affiliate, stands as a colossal lighthouse, guiding marketers and publishers to lucrative shores. Imagine this platform as a bustling city where every street is lined with opportunities for affiliates and brands to meet, greet, and collaborate. Now, what sets CJ Affiliate apart in this crowded marketplace? Firstly, it's the extensive network. With CJ Affiliate, you're not just accessing a handful of potential partners, you're tapping into a global community of brands across various sectors. Whether you're passionate about fashion, technology, health, or anything in between, there's almost certainly a brand in CJ's network that aligns with your content and values. This diversity not only allows for targeted, meaningful partnerships, but also opens the door to experiment with different niches and audiences. But how do you keep track of all these partnerships, and how can you ensure your efforts are translating into tangible results? That's where CJ's advanced tracking tools glide into the spotlight. With state-of-the-art reporting features, CJ Affiliate allows you to monitor your campaigns in real time, understanding which links are your champions and why. This level of insight is invaluable, empowering you to fine-tune your strategies, maximize your earnings, and most importantly, provide your audience with content that resonates with their interests and needs. Now imagine harnessing these tools and insights to not just achieve, but exceed your affiliate marketing goals. Think of the impact you could make, the stories you could tell, and the communities you could build or enhance. With every link clicked and every purchase made, you're not just earning commissions, you're strengthening connections between your audience and the brands they love. Before we move on, here's something to ponder. With the vast network and advanced tracking tools at your disposal, how will you carve out your unique path in the CJ Affiliate ecosystem? Rakuten Marketing stands out in the digital landscape, not just for its broad spectrum of affiliate opportunities, but significantly for its luxurious aura and high-end product partnerships. Picture this: an ecosystem where elegance meets efficacy, where every click promises not just a transaction, but an entry into a world of opulence. Brands under the Rakuten umbrella aren't just names, they're storied labels that evoke desires, dreams, and aspirations. These brands leverage Rakuten's advanced tools and expansive network to not only reach, but engage with an audience that appreciates the finer things in life. Now, why does this matter to you? It opens a realm of possibilities where content creation is not just about pushing products, but about crafting stories that resonate with an audience's lifestyle and aspirations. Imagine creating content that's not only appealing but aspirational, drawing in viewers who seek to elevate their lifestyle through luxury brands and products. This approach transforms the affiliate marketing game. It's no longer about the hard sell. It's about weaving narratives that align with the essence of luxury and elegance these brands embody. And here's the kicker: as you tell these stories, as you build this connection, you're not just influencing purchasing decisions, you're shaping aspirations, desires, and ultimately lifestyles. But I'm curious, considering the allure and potential of high-end product partnerships within Rakuten Marketing, how do you envision crafting your unique narrative? What stories do you want to tell that will captivate and enchant your audience, guiding them through a world of luxury they aspire to be a part of?